Hey, my name is Matt and I'm really glad that you are here. We've just started Unity course on YouTube and I decided to create a Discord server as well so that we can team up and meet people who have similar passion, and maybe you can make some nice friends down there. So click this button, join the server and just say hello. I decided to make this website so that you have a post and some code examples, and even if you go to the courses, I've just started to make this course. There will be videos the same that we put on the YouTube, but as you can see there are a lot of 00s. It means they are not published yet, so it will take some time when the list will be completed, but I believe that it will be easier to watch the videos and learn when you have all the videos in one place instead of looking for them on YouTube. So maybe that might be helpful. You can enroll for free, of course. If you find it useful or you would like to meet us, just go to the Discord and say what you think. So see you there.